Okay guys, so welcome, and I know it's been a long time, but here I'm back with another video, and this time, as the title suggests, is a review of a course. So basically the guys from Yiihuu contacted me and offered a partnership, which I said yes to, so here's the video. So Yiihuu is a website that sells courses that are focused on art, and they have a lot of high quality courses. So they let me choose one course which I had to review, so I chose the Archeologist course, and as you can see it's a stylized character, and I chose this course because I thought that I can learn something from it, and also it will be a good course for you guys, for my audience, because you also like stylized stuff. Okay, so let's start with the most basic information, which is the price of the course. So for now it costs $69 because it's currently still in making, but after that it will cost $130, so it's almost twice the price. And for my audience, we partnered with Yiihuu and they gave me a special coupon which saves you 15%, and if you use my link I will get some percent from it, so yeah, it will be nice for me also. So but let's do the review. Okay, so let's talk about the lecturer. So the course is being made by the 3D character artist called buymeacoff, and I don't know how to spell it, how to say it, so sorry my friend, but his portfolio is very good. I checked him out and he has very nice art works. So as you can see on the video, he has very nice style, very stylized style, so I like his style. So he looks professional, and he is professional because he worked on some AAA games like Call of Duty, Crash Team Racing, or others that he can't quote right now. So he has experience and knowledge, so yeah, he's a good lecturer. So yeah, it's very good point for the course. Okay, so throughout the course we will be making a 3D stylized character from start to finish, and the course is split into several parts. So we have the blockout part, which is making the base mesh of the character. Then we have high poly part, in which we sculpt the details of the character. After it we have the retopology part, so we'll learn how to retopologize the character so it has low poly count for games or different media. After it we will unwrap it, so we will prepare it for baking and texturing, which are next parts of the course. So we will bake high poly normal maps. Also we will texture it in Substance Painter, and then at the end we have rigging and rendering. So we have to talk a bit about the programs that are used in this course. Okay, so the lecturer is using different applications for different tasks. So he's using ZBrush for sculpting, Maya for unwrapping, Blender for modeling and rigging, I think, Substance Painter for texturing, Marmoset for rendering. So there's 4 of them are paid and 1 of them is free, which is Blender. So it might sound discouraging, but actually guys, it's all doable for free. So I don't have ZBrush, I use Blender for sculpting, and you can also use Blender for unwrapping. It will just be a bit different from the video because you have to find solutions or alternative to features that are from other programs, but it's all doable. I did the sculpting chapters and I didn't have any problem with making what the lecturer was doing in ZBrush in Blender, so there's no problem with it. You can also render stuff in Blender instead of Marmoset, And for texturing, it actually will be a bit different because Blender is not that good in texturing for games. So I think there's a free alternative called Quixel Mixer, and I will give it a try, and I will see if I can use it to texture my character. But if not, you can always download 30 free trial of Substance and texture the character. But everything is doable in Blender, so there's no excuse to not finish it. So like I said, the course is still in the making, and so far the lecturer released 5.5 chapters. There's still 4 in the making, and I did myself 3 chapters. So I finished the blockout stage and also the high poly stage. So they took me a long time because I didn't have that much time, but I finished the most important part, which is sculpting, which you want to learn. And I can say that yeah, it's a very nice and good course. I learned, like, I knew most of the stuff that he was saying and doing, but I learned new approaches, new workflow, how to sculpt the character. I used the Dyntopo. I didn't use Dyntopo before. Like, I quit Dyntopo because I didn't like it, but he showed me a different workflow, so I gave it a try. And also I started using multi-resolution modifiers, which is also another great workflow approach. So I think it's a very good course. There's a lot of modeling also included, so I learned modeling also. It's very important to do base meshes and to not disrespect them. I don't know how to say it, but if you have a good modeled model, then you can further sculpt it and give it a detail. You don't have to do everything in sculpt mode. Generally, it's a very good course, and I can't say that the full course is good because I haven't finished it, but so far it looks very promisable and it looks very good. The lecturer is teaching very good, very calmly, and he doesn't like give you a time-lapse video, so you have everything in real time. He's doing everything slowly, and he's showing a lot of good approaches and good tricks that you can use in your toolset, that you can have in your toolset. So I'm looking forward to finishing the course, and I will do an update video once I finish it. So far, as you can see, my character looks like this, and it looks very close to the character from the course. I still have to retopologize it and do other stuff, but I'm happy with the results. And I think it will be very helpful for you too, guys, because it's a full process, and I actually didn't make a character from start to finish before. So I didn't do a high poly, then I baked to low poly, then I texture it. I didn't do it, so now when I have this course I will do it, and I'm excited because yeah, I want to know the workflow and to do my own characters. So if you want to make your own characters, this course will teach you it. And just for your information, the guys from Yiihuu, they didn't pay me anything for saying those things, so it's actually like honest review from me, and yeah, it's not paid review, so I'm not paid actor. I didn't get any money, I just got free course. So yeah, you can trust me on this one, guys. And I think that will be it. I will leave the coupon in. You will have all the details in the description if you want, and I will try to make another video which will be some kind of tutorial. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys soon, and stay safe. Bye.